Alright guys, so here's the Summit Racing ignition box off the Turbo Mustang. It was giving me some intermittent stalling issues. So instead of just throwing it in the scrap bin, I figured we would pull it apart and see how she ticks on the inside. Alright guys, so first thing first, we got some, looks like Torx on the top. But first we're going to drill out these rivets that are holding this backing plate on. Alright, so we're going to pop this cover off. Wow. I see something that I really didn't expect. So give me a second, we'll go back to the bench. Alright guys, so the big surprise right there, MSD ignition. I know there's a lot of guessing on the internet and stuff about who makes this ignition box, but now we know. Alright guys, so I looked up this PCB number real quick, the 5520E right there. Now this is the same style of board that's in the MSD Street Fire ignition box, which is the exact same thing I just put on my car. So I don't know if they're exactly the same, but it's the same style at least. So we're gonna take these Torx screws out and see if we can pull this board out. Alright guys, so look a little closer. I'm not an electrician, so I'm not the smartest guy in the world when it comes to electronics, but we're going to give it our best shot. It looks like we have a couple coil transformers, one there and one here. Looks like we have some transistors up here with some heat dissipation tape to hold it to the case. We have some capacitors in there, resistor. And on the other side, I'm not even going to get into that. So, just a big brain box back there, a couple of them, and a bunch of other smart stuff. So, kind of surprised me what we found. And, also surprised me that I pretty much bought the same exact thing from MSD to put back in the car, which is the MSD Street Fire ignition box. So, to the scrap bin now.